So if you pulled out the directory or the yellow book, if you still have those, or if you get online and you type in a chiropractor in your area, you're gonna get a laundry list of them on there. Some of them are gonna be paid to ads to be there. Other ones are gonna be organically where they have reviews and they have great results. And what I mean by that is if you're searching online, look at the reviews. It's gonna tell you how well that doctor's been doing, if they're getting results, if they're a great person, or if they're really shady. And on the same token, you gotta find one that works for you, okay? Within the chiropractic profession, there's numerous techniques that we can use, and it has to align with your goals and where you want to get to. If you want soft tissue stuff, you got to look for a doc that does that. But ultimately, they're going to come in and they want to figure out what's causing the issue so they can get you back to being healthy, get back to exercising, being able to play with the kids, get up and down off the ground, or even just read a book without getting a headache or sitting at a computer without looking at a headache. And so when you're selecting your doctor, make sure they take time to get to know you. I sat down with a gal last night who the first time she went in, they gave her 5 minutes. She'd never met him before, talked to him for 5 minutes, adjusted her, and she was on her way, and she had a terrible experience. And where we differ is that first appointment in our office is about a half hour to 45 minutes where I want to set specific goals that work for you. So that way I know if the care I would recommend is going to work for you. We got to have benchmarks. We got to have things that we can look at and we can show the progression and actually see the body's function coming back to life. And then we go over those. I spent another 45 minutes going over all the tests that we did because I want you to know what's going on with you. It's not my body. I want to know exactly what's going on so I can best help you and then give you the proper recommendations accordingly. But we can't do that without actually spending time together and going through what your goals are and figuring out what's keeping you from reaching those goals. So that would be my suggestion or a quick tip as far as how do you find the right doctor, how do you find the right chiropractor that's truly going to listen to you and to help you be healthy again. Dr. Kyle with Project Wellness Company.